AgroByte presenting the amazing DJI Agras T10 spraying drone. The ideal drone for new farmers. The DJI Agras T10 brings a highly compact yet powerful aerial solution to agriculture sites of all sizes and needs. An 8-liter tank and spray width of up to 5 meters allow the aircraft to cover up to 15 acres/hour. Its folding truss structure is sturdy and reliable, enabling efficient folding and unfolding, convenient transportation, and easy transitions. A carbon fiber composite body keeps the Agras T10 both lightweight and strong. It can also fold down by 70% for more convenient transportation. The battery and tank can be quickly attached and detached to make refilling more efficient. The aircraft takes off with the push of a button. Autonomous planning and automatic edge sweeping offer extensive spray coverage and effortless operation. The T10 also comes standard with an RTK module with centimeter precision positioning. The new DJI Agriculture app enables a smoother system experience and more intuitive operation. The Agras T10 features a 4-nozzle design with an output rate of up to 2.4 liters per minute. A dual-channel solenoid flowmeter controls the nozzles for even spraying and precise volume control, critical for pesticide spraying. Eliminate blind spots with a spherical radar system. The spherical radar system perceives obstacles and surroundings in all environments, weather conditions, and viewing angles, regardless of dust and light interference. Automatic obstacle avoidance and adaptive flight functions help ensure safety during operation. Dual FPV cameras for improved awareness. Equipped with dual FPV cameras, the Agras T10 provides clear front and rear views and lets you check flight status without needing to turn the aircraft mid-flight. And a bright searchlight doubles the aircraft's night vision capabilities, creating more nighttime operation possibilities. Designed for long-term service. The Agras T10 control module has a fully enclosed structure for added durability. All critical components have 3 layers of protection and are IP67 rated. Ideal for long-term use of pesticides and fertilizers, and to resist dust and corrosion. Ultra-bright screen. Ultimate control. An updated remote controller supports stable image transmission from up to 5 kilometers away, 67% more than the previous generation. A bright 5.5-inch screen delivers clear visuals, even in harsh lighting conditions. For increased productivity, one remote controller can operate multiple drones at once. The standard RTK high-precision positioning module enables centimeter-level operation planning. Additional enhancements include stronger signaling, anti-interference, and operational stability. The new DJI Agriculture app provides a smooth user experience and more intuitive operation. 2 batteries plus charger for continuous operation. 1,000 cycles for 1,650 acres. With fewer supporting components needed, the Agras T10 is easier to transport. A newly designed intelligent battery is covered by a 1-year warranty for 1,000 charges and 1,650 acres of flight. This ultra-long service life significantly reduces operating costs. The charging station and smart charging hub can charge a battery in 10 minutes, allowing for continuous operation with just 2 batteries and 1 charger. The standard safety box helps ensure battery safety and easy equipment storage. Cloud-based 3D farming, digital agriculture is here. With the Smart Agriculture Cloud platform, users can perform cloud-based mapping of orchard and farmland scenarios to generate smart flight paths. This platform is equipped with an AI recognition system to patrol fields, identify growth, monitor disease or pests, and monitor agricultural conditions efficiently. Pairing this system with the DJI P4 multispectral allows users to apply solutions based on specific variables according to an automatically generated farmland prescription map. If you want to learn more about this and other amazing agricultural drones, visit us in Ringgoes, New Jersey in beautiful Hunterdon County. Just 1 hour away from New York City and Philadelphia. We offer drone courses focused on precision agriculture. Contact us, info@bytets.com, and follow our IG at agro_byte.